I'm at Oceanside, California, and I'm going to put the fire alarm device on Penguin Goon's ear. Let's put another device on the ear. Let's connect the wires. Okay, let's give it a test. Ha 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 ha. That was so cool and funny. Ha 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 ha.
Yo, Junior, how dare you put the fire alarm device on Penguin Goon's ear? You know putting the fire alarm device on people's ear is not allowed to do that at all. People could hurt their ears while testing the fire alarm. Penguin Goon used to be a character from Lego Batman the video game. That's it. I'm taking you home.
Junior, how could you put the fire alarm device on Penguin Goon's ear? He's one of the most characters from Lego Batman the video game. You're grounded for 167616793616746796789 years. Go to your room right now.
Wow.